360 megawatts of power has been added to the country's energy supply base following the inauguration of the first unit of the Sunon Asogli Power Plant Phase 2 project.
The President, John Mahama, inaugurated the Kpone-based facility, during which he said that the development will improve power supply and move the country towards its vision of having a generating capacity of 5,000 megawatts.
Ghana's energy sector has received its fair of challenges. Not too long ago, the country was hit by a power crisis that necessitated a load-shedding exercise. Government, in its effort to address the situation, is seeking other avenues of power. The Sunon Asogli Power Plant, located at Kpone, is one of such interventions by government. The power plant relies on gas supplies from the West African gas pipeline to fire the plant. The completed Phase 2 power project is adding 360 megawatts of power to the 200 megawatts of power that was currently produced by the plant. The president of Sunon Energy, Mr. Wang Hunon, said the Sunon Asogli Power Plant is now adding 560 megawatts of power to the country's energy mix, which is expected to boost the country's power generation capacity. The chairman of China's People's Political Consultative Conference, Mr. Yu Zhangshong, said the Sunon Asogli Power Plant is a symbol of the economic cooperation between Ghana and China.
The
first unit of Asogli Power Phase 2 project enters into operation. It will provide clean, safe and efficient energy services to this country. From the Kpone hydropower plant to the Asogli gas power plant, electricity cooperation between China and Ghana has been a splendid success.
President John Mahama said the completion of the Asogli Phase 2 project will help the country to gradually reduce its dependence on hydroelectric power, which constitutes more than half of the country's generation capacity. He added that measures is being put in place to address the problem of low supply of gas from the West African gas pipeline project.
The low flow of gas through the West African gas pipeline has created a situation where we have almost 750 megawatts of stranded thermal assets in our eastern power enclave here in Tema. To resolve this problem, we are accelerating the west to east reverse gas flow project in order to be able to transfer excess gas from our gas fields in the west to fire thermal plants such as Asogli in the east.
The Sunon Asogli Power Plant project is a private sector initiative to complement government's efforts at ensuring energy security.